Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing amazing today, and I really hope that you guys been liking my videos. And I am super excited today to make this with a little helper, and she's gonna help me make slime for you guys. And here's our special guest. So, introduce yourself. What's your name?
Rebecca.
Rebecca? Are you excited? What are we gonna make?
We're making slime and we're gonna do some colors for the slime. We have green and we have blue and we have orange and we have pink. So if you want, you can make any colors you want, and you need some colors and some glues and some sparkles, and you need some knives, 4 knives for the colors, and especially you need this.
Okay, so I'm gonna explain it to you guys. We are going to make different types of slimes. The first one we're gonna make are Fluffly Slime. And for each slime that we're gonna make, I'm gonna tell you guys what you need. So we're going to get started. Are you excited?
Yeah!
So the first thing that you will need to make the slime is going to be glue. Now you will put this in a container that you have at home. And the second ingredient that you will need is going to be shaving cream. You're going to keep on mixing the glue and the shaving cream. And now you're gonna add food coloring. And you're going to mix it all together. Now you're going to need laundry detergent. And if you need to add a little more, you can do that. Now we're going to add some baking soda. Keep mixing it all together. Now we're gonna need some contact solution for your eyes. You can add a little bit, and if you need more along the way, you can add some more. You can keep on mixing it together until you find that comfortable texture that you like. And ta-da! You got your fluffy slime. Now we're gonna start with the second type of slime we're gonna make. We're gonna need glue. We're going to add a little bit of water. After we are done mixing, we're gonna add the baking soda. Now we're gonna add the food coloring that you like. After we have mixed all of it well, we're gonna add contact solution. We're going to keep on mixing it all together. And now we can see that it stretches and the slime is ready to play. And when your slime's ready, you can add some shiny sparkles, and then you can mix it all together to make it crunchy. And now we got our crunchy slime. And now we got the crunchy slime Rebecca made, and and we put green shiny sparkles on it.
Guys, so me and Becca decided that for the pink one, we are going to try to add a little glitter to it so it looks a little bit nicer. So let's see how this is going to look. So you can't really see, but there is a little bit of sparkling in it. And if you have some more at home, you can add glitter to it and it will look a little bit nicer and smell good. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and
if you like this video, you click the red button and you share with your friends.
yay! Say bye guys!
Bye guys!